How to enable quick bet option on 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet app and log into your account. Once you are on the main screen, tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap Settings by selecting the gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the one-click bet option. This feature lets you place bets instantly with a preset amount without needing to confirm each time. Toggle the switch next to one-click bet to turn it on. You will be asked to set the default bet amount. Enter the amount you want to use for quick betting. This amount will be placed immediately when you select a game or event. After setting the amount, tap the apply button to save your changes. If you want to turn off this feature later, just go back to settings and toggle off the one-click bet option. And that's it. Now you know how to enable quick bet option on 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.